Oh, you're on my camera now. Yeah.
Pretty good shot.
Yeah.
Oh man, mine's bigger.
He is brother Teresa.
Not enough speed.
Oh!
Peace, love, and blessings. Welcome to everybody out there. Welcome back to the challenge just like that. Out here right now at the Pond Skim. It's a closing day. Springalicious. They got all kind of good events going on right now. See, look at that. Everybody's out.
All right, baby Ruth. David Ruthven, bib number 29
so
coming our
we got
way.
this coming at you, all right? So when you see this, man, just like and subscribe, all right? Like and subscribe.
Let's go, Theodore!
This is, oh yeah! The honor. First snowboarder. He's gonna get really. He's gonna go from lukewarm to really cold.
Oh, for America. Right in there.
Snowboard is already held up. This is his companion.
Yeah.
Ball. This is Ethan Boland.
Oh, man.
I love it.
Oh, he's looking to get.
Looks like he was kind of.
He just fell right into that water. Let's go!
Man, you blocking my view.
Now you're on my camera now. Yeah.
Pretty good shot.
Yeah.
Oh man, mine's bigger.
Yeah.
He's also a hockey player.
Come on, Disco Dave! Disco Dave!
Oh, looking good. Bib number 32, 5 GT.
Come on, babe! I love the disappointment in the crowd. Taking out the trash today.
He's carrying some speed.
Uh-oh.
Is the leafy leprechaun, Mr. Henry Crow. They're brothers. Oh, he's going for the skin. Let's see what happens. Not shaking. He's going for the skim. Yeah, Brad again. As well as a few other things.
Not enough speed. Oh!
Let's see what happens here. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Looks like he's... Oh, that's bad. Butsy Skim. The tool to use today.
Yeah! But he got style though. Oh! Uh-oh. Yeah! Oh, shit!
He looks a lot.
Spotted some Teletubbies in a while. Look at him. He's munching on the sandwich, enjoying the show. I like it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Peace, love, and blessings. Welcome back, man. So that was the pond skim going on over there. I'm going to go home so I can charge this camera because it's about to die. And then after I do that, I'm gonna come back out here and because they got a show coming out here. We got the band called Dumpster Funk coming out here. They're gonna be performing right behind me.
Cody winners.
Behind here.
Great job. We've got awards here in about 10
See that
minutes.
stage right there? That's where they're gonna be performing, all right? So, hey, thanks for watching the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Like and subscribe. All right, you know what it is, man. Come back to the channel, baby. Just like that.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday